Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about Python sets. How we can able to create four Python sets in a we are going to discussing in this video. A set is an unordered collection of items. Every set element is unique, no duplicates, and must be immutable, cannot be changed. However, a set itself is immutable. We can add or remove item from it. A set can also be used to perform mathematical set operators like uni, interaction, and semantic different types. And creating the Python sets by using these braces is set created by placing all item inside that we can able to separate it by comma, and it can have n number of items and they may be in a different types, integer, float, tuple, string, but the set cannot have a mutable elements like list, which is the value we are going to change. Those things like list values, it will not be presented. The curly brace we can able to declare for values, integer, string, and tuple value we can able to add it. Now you can see message, and here curly brace. Inside the curly brace I am declaring for string and comma 1 comma 1.2 comma, and I'm going to creating for tuple 1 2 3. Okay, and creating an empty set is a bit tricky because if you are going to like braces, it make empty dictionary, because dictionary also we are going to use for curly braces only, and it is like it will go for uh, whenever we created for curly braces for with empty one, then it by default it will say for dictionary. To make set without any element, we can use for set is a this basic function without any argument, means without any value, then it will become a type of which type it will show like set particular value. Modifying a set in a Python, sets are immutable. However, since they are unordered, index has no meaning. Means if you are going to print for particular value position every time, means it will not, because it is an unordered list set. Sorry, unordered set. We can't know that where it is presented every time. We cannot access or change an element of set using for index or silency. Set data type does not support it, and we can add a single element using the add method and multiple element by using the update method, and update method can take a tuples, a list, a string, or other set as its argument. Duplicates are avoided. In case if you declare for duplicates, then it will avoid the duplicate values. And I'm going to add one particular value, means we can able to I set dot add the position, which position we are going to add, it's not a matter, to into print I set. The value it is printed. Even you can able to say I declare for string 1 1.2 then value and 2, but it is printed 1 2 string, the a tuple, then after that float value. It is an unordered list, and even we can able to update multiple elements using for update, and we can able to list or tuple or string something we can able to add it for update. my set dot update, and then I'm going to use for list values 1 comma 2 comma 3, save, print my set. Then you can able to see the list values are changed. Okay, in this format we can able to print it. And remove element from a set. A particular item can be removed from set using that method as discard and remove. This only difference between two is that discard function leaves a set unchanged if the element is not present in the set. Means if you are using the value but it is not presented, then it will not do anything. In case if you use a remove function, if it is not presented, then it will throw in some error, means that value is not presented, like that. Okay, how we can able to use it? Now I'll show you first remove, or else we'll go for this my set dot sc, and I'm going to use for one to remove, print my set. One, it is not presented, but I'm going to use here for 4 is not presented, but it is not thrown any error. Still it is printed for set value. But if you are going to use for remove this position, same value, if you are going to use my say dot remove and the 4 is not presented, then if you are going to print the value my set, then it will throw error. When you are calling that fourth value key is not presented in the set. Means without impact, if you want to delete, then you can able to use it desired, and if you want to impact something value to know that whether it is presented or not, then you can able to use for remove. And we can able to remove and return an item using the pop method. Since a set an unordered data type, there is no way of determining which item will be pop up. It is properly some it is completely some arbitrary. We can also remove all the items from a list using by clear. When you use the clear method, it will entirely remove for everything. It will not be present anything. And you can able to random element also, it will print for that pop. And another element also we can able to print it using the pop method. And also we can able to clear for entire set values using the clear method. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.